Hello viewers, welcome to a new vlog. Right in front of me is an Indian, Asian and Latin American, African products you can get over here. All the spices and all the food which you need. You get in this shop. It's an Indian shop. Right in front. And the bus number 74 comes here. This is pizza meat. You can get a pizza piece from here. It's around about 450 forints. You can say maybe €1.50. In euros, €1.50. It's a very beautiful city because you can see a lot of old constructions, buildings, just like castles. Okay, here there's some renovation going on. This second vlog of mine is also in Hungary. I think this is the third vlog. So just walking and it's a walking tour, seeing around. Yeah. See? It's a bit windy. The weather is like it's going to rain. There is indication of rain. Maybe later in the day. These are the forints. I just changed them. It's a 10,000 forints note. I got 40,000. It's for €100. This is the back. This is the front. So that was euros. Oh, sorry, forints. Yeah, I changed the euros. And this is a hotel. See, this is a 5-star hotel. It's in the heart of the city. I hope you're enjoying because there is no music in this videos because I want you to hear the original sounds. People talking, transport running, sounds of the machine, the motors, and here's the place where you can yoga too. There are some flights. Belgium. Yeah, I'm going to show you something new. Yeah, let me also see something new maybe later on. This is KFC. This is McDonald's at this side. I'm thinking of taking a tram from here. Take a tram from here. And we go to West End. There's the tram coming. Go inside. Yes, inside this tram. Now I'm out. I've sat in the wrong tram. That's why I was saying the ticket is very handy. A 15-day pass. So now I'll sit in the next one and go back and come on the wrong side. So I will go on the other side now to take the tram going that way. This is the metro line down for the metro. I go in the tram. So I have to go on that line to stand there. Then we go. This is the tram which is coming. I don't know if I can make it on that side because it's red light, not walk. I hope when the rain stops it becomes green, maybe. The tram has come from here, so I cannot. I can make it. Thank God I got it, and I'm reached till here, so I'm on the right track now. We go in towards the metro. It's a underground bypass. It goes on the four sides. Too much of wind on the ground as I'm going up. I was on that side where the tram is standing right now. I had to cross there on the ground, so I'll come on this side. This is the bus stop. Get all the buses here. But if you go to see, there are many bus stops where many buses, many trams, old trains, old trams from the 18th century, the beginning of 19th centuries, the buildings. They have maintained a lot of things. Right there is West End. All the brand shops are also here, local and international brands. That's the railway station, Budapest, Nogati. Nogati. West End. There's a lot of things over here, some chocolates and Foot Locker. We have this in Netherlands also. Carnival. Over there. Up and down too. I hope you like this video too. Please subscribe to my videos so I can think of making more and more videos for you. Maybe in the coming future we'll be having a lot of fun, more and more videos. But if you people don't subscribe, like and share and don't watch the full complete videos, maybe I will not be able to make or have close up my channel if you're not helping me with publicity. You have to spread all my viewers. This video is for my viewers, especially for you people. That's the restaurant down there. People are enjoying the lunch. Right now it's lunchtime, it's about 1 p.m. Thank you for watching my video. Please keep watching for some new videos coming soon. Maybe possible after 4 or 5 days you get a lot of videos to see of Budapest. So please take care of yourself. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. See you soon. Ciao. Take care. Bye.